Massachusetts weather can be brutal on your roof, and after a while, that beating can take its toll. If you're experiencing any of these 4 problems, it might be time to replace your roof. 1. Big energy bills. Are your energy bills always high, even though you make sure your windows and doors are closed? A failing roof can cause just as much energy loss as bad windows and doors. 2. Stains and leaks. Stains or water spots on your ceiling could mean a broken pipe, or it could be from a leaky roof. Water spots mean moisture may have penetrated your roof and infiltrated your attic, causing decayed, rotted wood. 3. Mold, moss, and sagging. Does your roof sag? Is mold or moss growing anywhere? These are signs of serious moisture issues, ones that can be hidden deep under your shingles. 4. Constant repairs. Have you repaired your roof multiple times? A roof that requires constant repairs is a roof that's past its expiration date. Replacing it will actually cost you less in the long run. Notice any of these signs? Call Solid State Construction. We specialize in thorough inspections and honest solutions based on your needs.